Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Sometimes, you may want to manage multiple TikTok accounts on the same device, whether for personal use, business, or other purposes. TikTok makes it easy to switch between accounts without logging out. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the down arrow next to your username. Here, tap on Add Account. You will now see options to sign up using your phone number, email, Google account, or Facebook. If you already have an account, tap on Login and enter your credentials using phone, email, username, Google, or Facebook. Once the account is added, you can repeat the same process to add more accounts. After adding multiple accounts, switching between them is as simple as tapping the down arrow and selecting the account you want to use. This way, you can manage all your TikTok accounts on one device easily without logging out and logging back in every time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.